Welcome back, everyone. If you've ever thought, I wish there was a simple way to earn real money from home without products, selling, or tech headaches, then stick around. Because today, I'm going to show you something called the H2H Method, a strategy that's quietly helping complete beginners earn $3,000 per week while AI does 95% of the heavy lifting. Let's be honest. Most people chasing online income are stuck in broken funnels, wasting time creating endless content, or trying to sell products they don't even understand. And 97% of them fail. Why? Because they're plugging AI into the wrong model. That's exactly why the H2H method exists, to flip the script and give everyday people a proven way to collect high-ticket commissions without selling, without products, and without tech skills. So, what is the H2H method? It's built on something called the Costco Paradox. You know those $1.50 hot dogs Costco sells? They actually lose money on them. But once you're inside, you spend an average of $180 on everything else. That little loss leader generates billions. Welton figured out how to apply this exact logic online. Instead of bulk toilet paper, the backend pays out $500 to $2,000 commissions. And you don't pitch, explain, or even mention the products. A professional sales team closes for you. You just collect. Here's why beginners love it. No products to create. No sales calls. No following required. AI builds viral content for you in 90 seconds. And the best part? You can start with as little as $0 to $5. Chance himself went from failed dropshipping and Amazon FBA to $50 million in sales, featured in Forbes, Entrepreneur, and Inc. His students, regular people with zero experience, are now collecting commissions daily. Some hit their first deposit in just 7 days. So, if you're tired of spinning your wheels, if you've tried everything and nothing's clicked, this is your chance to see what's actually different. Click the link below, register for the free workshop, and show up live. In 90 minutes, you'll see exactly how the H2H method works and how you can start earning $3,000 per week from home. See you inside.